Hello my beautiful fashion lovers, welcome back again to my channel. So today we'll be making this DIY top, this DIY beautiful top, and we'll be starting by folding our fabric in total this way. Then we go ahead to mark the length of the shorts, which I'm using 23 for my length. You can go on to make it shorter or make it longer, but for me this is the length I want to work with. So once I'm done marking it, I will trace out with my ruler. So going on, I will mark out my hip line, which I use 10 for here. Then go on to mark out my crotch length, which I'm using 14. Then after that, I will go ahead to mark out my hip measurement. That is on the waist side. I will mark my hip measurement because I'm using elastic. So you know, when you're working with elastic, you must use your hip measurement. Okay, so I mark it out and I put in some allowances. Remember, this is a DIY method. Okay, then I go ahead on the hip line, I mark out my hip measurement divided by 4 plus some allowances. On my crotch too, I mark my hip measurement divided by 4 plus allowance, some inches allowance. So when I'm done with that, I use my ruler to trace it out. So I use my ruler to trace it out this way. So I use my ruler to trace it out. So on that crotch line there, you're going to go over 1.5 inch or 2.5 or 2 inches, 1.5 or 2 inches. Then you create a curve. Okay, from that line you create a curve meeting the crotch line. You're going to create a curve meeting the crotch line. Okay, so here I don't want the wideness to be too much, so I'm going to use my lap measurement. I'm going to divide it into 4 and mark it here. But if you want it to be wide, you can just maintain this crotch line down to that hemming side. Okay, but mine, I don't want it to be too wide. When you're done with that, you come up to the waist side, come down by 1 inch, then connect from that crotch line down to that place, down to that 1 inch. Just this way I'm doing. You will still add this back at the back side when you're cutting the back. Then you go ahead to cut out what you've marked. So I've gone ahead here to place the front on another fabric and cut out the back side, and this is what I did before I cut it out. So here is what I did. That up is the front and the down one is the back. So on that crotch side, I moved in with 2 inches. Then that 2 inches, I reduce it to 1.5 inch at this side till I get to the hemming side. Okay, at the up side, I maintain the 2 inches to the waist side. Okay, that's what I basically did here. Then that 1 inch I remove at the front side, I will add it here. This is me adding the 1 inch. You can add 1, you can add 2. If you have big ikebe, you can add 2 or 2.5. Okay, but if your kebe is not much, I'm gonna maintain 1 or 1.5. Is that clear? So moving on, I'm done doing that and I've cut it out. This is the front and the back this way. What you need to do here is to go to your machine and make a stitch on this crotch side. Okay, you make a stitch on this crotch side like this to join it. Make another one this way to join it. Okay, when you are done doing that, this is what you have. This is what you have. Okay, so now align the bolts equally. For me here, I didn't align the bolts equally. You can see that some are longer than some, so I didn't align them. So align yours equally and secure with pin. Then go ahead to hold the side. If you want to put pockets, you can go ahead to measure and fix your pockets. But for me, I don't want pockets. Hold the both side, then hem the downside with 1 inch. Then also close that flap side too. Okay, yeah, so basically this is where we are. I'm done hemming the side, folding the down side, and hemming the crochet side. Okay, yeah, now it's for me to fix the waistband. It's for me to fix the waistband, which I've cut out 1.5 inch here, because this fabric is just small, it's not that much. So the fabric I cut for this band is not that much. This I'm going to do it till I sew it round, then fix my elastic. So for this elastic side, I realized that my big elastic was not up to what I needed. Okay, it was not, what I have was not up to, and I can't start throwing up and down to go and look for elastic. I have to make use of what I have, which is the small elastic here, and I'm using 22 inches for the length of my round waist. I folded this small one into two. Okay, then measure 22 inches for my round waist, because my waist is 44. Yes, so for the standard I think it's 20 to 22 standard elastic. Okay, so after doing that, this is me, I fix it, and this is the outcome, and this is the beautiful short. This is the short here. Okay, can you see the downside is somehow fitted, but not that really fitted like that. If you want yours to be wide, you can increase yours. Okay, please, my beautiful people, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Appreciate the love you, I appreciate it. If I not appreciate it, if I not appreciate the love you are showing me, who I be, this love is massive. I appreciate the love. For even watching and even commenting and liking, that one is alone is enough for me. I appreciate. I say my God will bless you people abundantly. Whatever you are looking for, you get it millions and trillions folds in Jesus' name. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you. I can't thank you people. I can never take you people for granted. I can never. Mona not allow me speak rubbish. No matter say na even wrong I dey speak, but Mona share the manage am with love like that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you. Love you all. Bye.